Okay, Eduardo. So I am about to send you this email. Okay, I have reset your password. This will be your password. Okay, so as it says right here, always use this web address. Okay, so we're going to open this web address. Okay, let me get rid of my login credentials. Okay, um, so if we go back to that email, Control C on the keyboard, email here, and then Control C on the keyboard, and then we log in. Okay, so as you can see, this is you. Okay, I've logged in as you. Um, so this is the learning path. So you'll click right here. Um, you did work in the very first week. So maybe you've been having some problems. This is the current unit that we're working on in. Please try to complete all of these units. You need to complete all of these units before Friday, and then you can go back and you can start working in the previous unit in the other unit. Okay. This is our forum area. You click here to get into the forums. This is the um, discussion that we're having for Module 2. You click on the blue words, then it will open up the forum discussion. You read my instructions here. You click on reply. You type your answer here and then click reply. Okay, so fairly straightforward.